Hi, if you need to be able to search the sound library in DaVinci Resolve, do this. Make sure you're on the sound library. Select the library that you want to search. Highlight the search bar and enter 3 asterisks. This will bring up all of the audio files that you have inside of your sound library. If you need to be able to listen or preview those sounds, select one and press play. Now these sounds are from the Blackmagic free sound library. If you're importing your own sounds into the library, then make sure that you use file names that are easily searchable so that you can come back to them later. Thanks.